Hello, my name is Ty. I'm a real estate consultant and a realtor. Now, one of the questions or one of the concerns that prospects raise when they contact me for some of our properties is the fact that we don't have a flexible payment plan that is long enough for them. So they say things like, I'm a salary earner, I cannot pay this amount within the period you are stated. For example, we have some properties where the developer allows you to pay over 6 months, some 12 months. And then we have people who say, you know what, even 12 months is short. I'm looking at maybe 24 months or 36 months, which is understandable. Someone may not be able to afford 5 million naira at once, but they can conveniently do maybe 150,000 on a monthly basis for a long period of time. So I just want to suggest something. First, you probably know by now what a mortgage is. A mortgage is basically taking a loan to finance a real estate purchase. It could be land, it could be a house, and so on and so forth. Now, there is also what is called a short-term mortgage, which is a mortgage, I think, is between 0 to 5 years, if I'm not mistaken. Now, I did a little research on a short-term mortgage, and I found that a lot of banks actually, give short-term mortgage, and the interest is not, is not so unbearable from what I've seen. For example, I checked out one of the banks in Lagos, one of the Nigerian banks, and then they have a mortgage calculator. And if they give you 5 million naira, for example, over a period of 3 years, you got to pay back a total of, I think, about 6.35 million naira. That means on the 5 million, you are paying about 1.35 million, which is about 26%. So you are paying a cumulative 26% interest over a period of 3 years, according to their loan calculator. I know one of our partners, they also do up to 3-year payment plan. But if you're doing 3 years with them, you pay with an interest of 30%. So that means the very bank that I checked out is doing a better rate compared to even this developer. And if you look at if we take the 3-year window as an example, you find that most properties in Lagos, especially land, within a 3-year period, is very likely to have appreciated by more than 26%. It could have appreciated by up to 50%. And in some cases it could be way higher than that. So this is something that you may, want to consider. Of course, you don't have a rush into anything like this. You want to make sure that you look at the terms and conditions, read the FAQ, look at your cash flow, and this is even easier with a bank that your account is already domiciled with, because they know how much you earn, they know whether you are able to pay back the loan within the tenure or within the period you're supposed to pay back or not. So you want to make sure that you look through the FAQ, the terms and conditions with your lawyer if possible, to see if it is something that you can do. So instead of saying, oh, I cannot afford this property, see whether if you take a short loan, it can help you. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.